this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix things don't appear to be working at the moment. Please try again later error on PayPal. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this error, most likely there is a problem with your payment card. You need to check if you have enough funds before you can try to make the payment. However, if you're just running your normal functions and you have no issue with the credit, then the problem might be with the server. For that, you need to wait for some time, and when PayPal servers are up, now the problem should be fixed. However, if this problem still persists, then you might want to troubleshoot your PayPal account. And for this, if you are on your computer, you need to go ahead and clear recent history for your browser. For my case, I'm on Firefox. I'll clear this here by clicking on clear here. After clearing your browser history, then everything should be okay. Now you should be able to use your account or make payments without any issue. However, in some cases, you might be experiencing this error or issue because you are using a VPN. If you are using a VPN, you need to go ahead, turn it off, and everything now should be okay. However, if you are on a smartphone app, for that you need to go to PayPal app and long press on it to access app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear around here. Tap on it to access PayPal app info. For that, you need to clear PayPal app data by going to clear data here and choose clear cache and okay. Once this is done, now restart your smartphone and then open your PayPal app and everything should be okay. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.